Hi guys, this is Simanchal Paningrai. Today we will discuss about the value type versus reference type in .NET. Yeah, this is the current slide that I will going to explain today that what is the value type versus reference type in C Sharp. Let's start. Yeah. About the description, reference type variables are stored in the heap while value type are stored in the stack. A value type stores its contents in the memory allocated on the stack. When you created a value type, a single space in memory is allocated to store the value, and that variable's directory holds a value. Okay, whenever we're talking about the reference type, it's always stored in the heap. Like reference type, we can say that it's whenever we are creating a class, that's a reference type, and whenever we are creating a struct or enum, that's value types. Let's see the code, and I will explain in the detail. Yeah, just like I just if you see the screenshot that it's created one class that my reference type and declared one variable that my var, and I can create the instance of this type as follows. Yeah, see, in this reference type is a variable of type my reference type, which is stored on the thread stack memory, but it contains a reference to the memory allocation on the heap. If you see in this that for my variable is assigned, first of all that class is initialized, and after that it's assigned the value as a 5 as a ref type dot myvar, and after that it's again copy ref type dot myvar is assigned as a 10. Let's move to the next slide. If you see in this, whenever I first assigned the value as a 5, and after that again I just assign the value as 10. So in this, when first time my value is assigned value 5, it is creating a memory in that my value equal to 5 in the heap memory. When again I initialized and assigned the value to my var as 10, it's just taking a copy reference type of that variable, and there's an initialization object and replacing that myvar to 10, means it's reusing that memory. It's not initializing a new memory in that. Okay, let's move to next slide. Now it's a value type. In this, just it's declare one struct and my value type the same variable that my var, and I am assigning the value to my var variable as shown below. That my var value I just assigned 5. After that, that struct I assigned a value 10. Okay, uh, if I will see that stack memory and heap memory, value type memory allocation in C sharp. Okay, if you see the stack memory, whenever I first time assign that variable as a that myvar variable as 5, then it's creating in a stack that is myvar equal to 5. It's assigned the location as myvar equal to 5. Whenever I again assign that variable, another variable I have created, and other object is created, and the same variable I assign the value as a 10, it's again allocating a new variable. Initialization means it's it's a reference type, you can say. Like as we can see from the book code, the previous code, if you change the another 12 type dot myvar equal to 10, the value type myvar remains unchanged. It is because a new memory was allocated for another var value type in threads stack, which you can see in the slide. And now the thing is, um, again I'm saying the what is difference between value type and reference type. You can say that whenever we are creating any class that is a reference type, and that is created in the heap, and every time whenever you are assigning, then that memory location is it's replacing that value, but in the struct it's creating a new memory location. Okay. uh, we should use value types only if it is a simple type and no member function modifies its instance fields. If there is no need to derive from other types or being derived to other types, we should use value types only if instances of the methods are small. So these are the differences, value type and reference type. Thank you so much.